How to do a green screen in CapCut. If any day any of you are a CapCut user and you would like to do a green screen in your very CapCut but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very CapCut application on your mobile device. You have to find the very CapCut application on your mobile device and then tap on it like this. After you tap on it like this, the CapCut will be launched on your very mobile device. After CapCut is launched on your very mobile device, now what you have to do is you have to go to any of the project that you'd like to work on. So after you tap on a project like this, you have to tap on it like this. Now then what you have to do is you have to go to the option of effects. After going to the option of effects, now you have to tap on the option of video effects. After going to the video effects, in the search icon, you have to search blur. After you search blur, now you can see the options like this. Now here you have to choose any of the option of the blur like this. For example, I'm choosing the blur of this here. So after you choose the option of the blur, now you have to go back and again go to the option of tick here. And you have to maintain this blur to the entire video like this by just extending it to the entire video. After you extend it to the entire video, now what you have to do is again, you have to tap on the main video like this. After tapping on the option of the main video like this, now you have to go to the option of overlay. After tapping on the option of overlay, now you can see an interface like this. So tapping here in overlay, when you go to the option, now you can see the next option like this. Now again, what you have to do is you have to go back here and again, you have to tap on the option of the overlay there. And when tapping on the option of overlay, you can see the option of add the overlay. Now here you have to choose your green screen video from your very gallery. After you choose it, now you have to go to the option of add. After going to the option of the add, now you can see that the green screen video is added to here. You can just extend it as well or make it like this. Now after that, you have to tap on the green screen video like this and then go to the option of the remove the BG. After tapping on remove the BG, now you have to tap on the option of the chroma key. Now here you have to just go to one of the option where the green screen is shown here, and then you have to go to the option of intensity. After tapping on intensity, now you have to maintain the intensity to the highest here and then go to the option of the tick here. Now you can see that the very green video or the green screen video has been set to your main video background. So this is the way on how you can do that. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.